In this video, we'll start to focus on creating an inventory system in Excel. And to do this, we will work with 5 different tabs, and we do them step by step. We'll start with the easiest one. So the first one will be, of course, our tab for the items, or better known as the stock keeping unit, or SKU. So let's start with this, because this is basically the list of all the items we have with a specific item or product ID. So let's start with that. We type in here SKU, and then what we have more is a description of the product, which could be just the brand name or anything else. And finally, we have the package size. The package size indicates how many units are in a package. Alright, so let's imagine here we're doing this for a specific shop, and this is really a shop that sells products. So this is not suitable for a restaurant. And if you're looking for one, we're going to a restaurant, I will have very soon a new video related to that. However, let's start with this now, and I'll just make the design proper. Put this here to the center. There we are. And then in here, we will have some basic product IDs. So let's say here we will have a bottle of water. No, sorry. So we say here WAT1, and this would be water. And this would be maybe a 12 pack. We have here Sprite 1. Let me say Sprite can. And this is a 24 pack. And here we have CC for Coca-Cola 1. Be Coca-Cola can. 24 in a pack. And then what we have more is, for example, we have cup noodles. So CN1 and cup noodle pack. And we have here 48 pieces in one pack. Of course, you have probably a lot more, and what I would recommend is to just continue on with how many you have. So if you have a shop multiple, use this structure. You can look here based on what is the unit, and maybe, and this is very common, water, maybe this is a bottle of water. Bottle water 500 ml, and maybe you have another brand of water, and you can put it all in here. So basically you can keep on going. Alright, so this is the first part. So now we have to work on the second part.